Yes, they look awesome. But have you thought about celebrating eco-friendly Diwali?
Eco-friendly Diwali? I guess I never thought of that. Can you explain a bit more?
Eco-friendly Diwali is a way of celebrating Diwali in which we do not pollute the air and we do not fear the animals. Example, you have used these plastic diyas, whereas you can use these clay diyas.
But the plastic diyas are so colorful.
They are colorful and beautiful, but in the end they land up in the landfills. Whereas the clay diyas are biodegradable, beautiful, and also have a traditional touch with them.
I guess you're right. I never noticed the intricate patterns on these diyas. They look so beautiful.
Exactly.
I think we can also paint them. It would be a fun activity to do together.
Yes, we can invite our friends and family together for the Diwali.
Yes, we can create a DIY station to paint these diyas. It would be so much fun. But I have one doubt. What about the fireworks? Everyone loves fireworks.
We should not use fireworks because fireworks pollute the air and also scare the animals. We should use sparklers instead.
I never thought about that. How fireworks can disturb the animals and also cause discomfort to the elderly.
Yes.
Sparkler sounds like such a cool idea. We can have mini light shows without all of the noise.
Yes, exactly. And we can also purchase sweets from our local shops.
Yes, I love that idea. It would support the local farmers. I just love the idea of buying fresh samosas and sweets from the local market.
Let's make this as hashtag eco-friendly Diwali, in which we can encourage more people to celebrate eco-friendly Diwali with us.
Okay, let's spread the word. Yes, I love that idea. Diwali is not just about celebrations, but also about making a positive impact on society.
Exactly.
Let's do this.
Let's do this.